Hi everyone, it's Ann, Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am super excited to be back to do a unboxing video with you. I was contacted by Craspire and I believe they are affiliated with BB Crafts to do a product review. And I've always wanted to play with wax seals, so this was just perfect timing to learn something new and play with a new craft. So I did pick up this little starter kit and it comes with this bag of different color seals, waxes. I will be sorting these out by color because that's just, I think I just work function better. But I love this little contraption. I feel like it's such a art and it's kind of romantic to do this whole melting process and creating your little wax seals. I'm so excited. And they also give you a bunch of tea lights to, I guess, include or slip right into here and then just have your spoon do all the work. I am so excited. And then I did also pick up two different wax seal stamps and they are so adorable. They're really heavy duty and not flimsy at all. And I got this really beautiful bow because, you know, we're crafters. And the second one is this one here and it says made with love. And I believe the little circles around the edges. Oh, I cannot wait to do some crafting with these. And then last but not least, I also did pick up a bag of these pastel color waxes because I just needed something that was along the sides of my vibe. I can't wait to try, and I will be back to do a little process video and just show you my first impressions of this whole wax seal trend. I'm super excited, so stay tuned, and I will leave the links to the products down below. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye everyone!